Split letter in Inkscape. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Inkscape on your computer, then create a new document to begin your design. Select the text tool from the toolbar, click on the canvas, and type a large letter that will serve as the base of your design. Choose a bold font such as Swiss 721 BLKBT to ensure strong visibility. Increase the font size until the letter fills most of the canvas. Then open the Align and Distribute panel to center it, both horizontally and vertically. Check that the position looks balanced before continuing. Next, convert the text into a vector shape by selecting Path and choosing Object to Path, allowing full editing control. Select the Rectangle tool and draw a horizontal rectangle across the middle of the letter. Adjust its height to define the text area, then place it exactly at the center using the Align tools for precision. Duplicate the letter, then select the top copy together with the rectangle and apply path difference to remove the middle portion, creating the upper section. Select the duplicated letter again, duplicate the rectangle, and select both objects before using path intersection to isolate the center strip. Now you have a dedicated area for text. Use the text tool to add a name inside this strip, adjusting the font size so it fits neatly. Change colors to improve contrast and readability. Then align all elements carefully so everything appears clean and organized. Finally, group all parts together to keep the design intact, and export the finished result as a PNG or SVG file for sharing or further use. Make sure to review the overall composition before exporting, checking that spacing between elements remains consistent and visually appealing. If needed, slightly adjust the position of the text inside the strip to maintain balance with the upper and lower sections of the letter. You can also refine the rectangle or letter edges using node editing for more precise control over the final shape. Keep the design simple and clear so the text remains easy to read at different sizes.